Hey guys, Level here. Alright, we do our trade review for Monday, the 10th of February, and we're doing the trade plan for Tuesday. It is now 7:30 a.m. On Tuesday, didn't get time to do one last night, suffered from a bit of a cold and the flu. It's going around, it's flu time also here where I live. Alright, so we got some unexpected moves yesterday in the market. So we got the market moving up. We were looking at selling 27s at first. Got run over on the open and tried to sell 37, which failed also. We gave up on the market, walked away. Um, Unexpected move to the upside. Volume was reasonable. Kind of counterintuitive to what our trade plan was and our trade ideas are. Um, it was kind of weird, so take that with a pinch of salt. Uh, trading a plan. So once you execute the plan, we executed reasonably well. We were going to sell short on 27 and 37s, and we know we had 42s in the way. We gave up by that time, so we didn't take 42s. There is one trade available here, but we being patient on live. This was the trade that was here from yesterday. You can see where we had the 60 over here. This is close. That was from Friday's close. That was from Friday's close. We were looking for an entry on the 60s. May eventually work out, not work out. We do have a sell right here at the 70 level, which is a measured move that Hogan I mentioned multiple times, and we have a buy on this area here. So if you're looking at the analytical chart, is a 15-minute chart. We're looking for inversion to the upside, which will bring us to the 70 to 72 area. What we're looking for in the 70 to 72 area is deviation, measured move to the upside, plus inversion of the fib. We didn't have any major pullback until this stage here. 3 would have loved to see this 96 being tested before we got that big kick, but it just didn't happen. And yesterday you could actually see when the build happened right here within this bar on the open, that acceptance that we got accepted in the market. On both times you can see acceptance on the higher price. Looking at this is the key of what we'll buy this one. Don't know. Yeah, looking at the key of what we were looking at yesterday. You can see what we was talking about, having a boxy volume profile. You can see what volume and value we're looking at. Very boxy, searching for prices. There's a new all-time high close, so we search for prices, we find a new all-time high close. One out of two things could be happening here is we may have a serious kick to the upside to hit that 3400, or we just sit back for the market, come back down to real value, and then figure out what it is. Structured trade, I don't really see this being a complete value structured trade from just hitting last high and going to the upside. More than likely the market should fade this on the open, so that's why we have a short from now. If you don't want to take the short, the more than likely position, because I just an entry position for us with a single contract. We want to load at the 70 based on two contracts on what we seen in the market, 70 to 72. If we do get breakout of that, we have 87 dollars back up. We're looking to buy minimum, looking to get in the market, either test out settlement, POC, and the major buyers at 37 again we identified, which is minus 0.5 deviation. Implied deviation of market moved very weirdly yesterday. You can see that build there versus where the volume, so you can really see it on where the volume and how far it could go, because that build across there was here. It was searching for new pricing, which was not really a volume trade. You could ask any trader who trade in volume. not wouldn't be a good day for you for anybody who's trading that. More a breakout trade, but a breakout trade is only like 30% or something of the time. What we did do was short the market on, I think I posted this at the 50-20 right here. We got into a reasonable sell and recovered 95% of cash. And the only thing we didn't cover was for the trades from the US was for Costa trading. So we got back like about 95%. As you can see, overnight we had strength in the market. So we opened, came up, we retested the open area here, dropped down, found support. I think Russia would be very important, so wait and see if Russia join in those oil cuts. So here will be tricky. So we already have such an area, so we expect some consolidation within these two areas here, which is the 5180 to that 4950 area. You can see we didn't strike the most recent low, which we were expecting, which may look like we form a bottom in the market. So what we're looking for is at least long targets to be within these two areas here. So the basic long target is right here at 51s again. You see where the 51 trigger, that would be inflection point. And looking for your targets to the upside as your zone of interest. Now we trade oil based on what we see in oil life. So these two zones we're looking for, more or less trying to catch the market on the trade up or the trade down. So we're trying to sweep the trade really. So sweeping our trade is either be swept or you enter at somewhere that is very advantageous with good risk reward. Yesterday we got in on two positions like that, which was beneficial to us. So we're looking at these three zones here, might have a big update. First boundary looking for is target at 80, 50, 80, 51, 50, and 51, 52, 25, 20 to 25. From averaging and averaging out in the market, you may be able to look for volume nodes within the market. So make sure you trade small, trade smart on oil. We trade oil live in the market and look for certain things in the market. So trade small, trade smart, guys. Look for opportunities in the market. If you're looking for that buying opportunity, get into the market between your POC of that 50-12 we were looking, the 50-10 we were looking at, to that 50. That may provide your buying position today, which is the position we're looking at right now to get in. So we do have this structure by here. We have it at point of control, which is 12. You could probably remember that 5 to 10, which we missed on Friday. That was for this little small punch to the upside. It was a $1 move. We don't intend to miss. We're looking at probably that small area between 50 flat and 50-20 again, looking at our average entry at 50, 5015 to give us an entry. Okay guys, trade small, trade smart. More than likely might be live streaming this morning of some construction guy come across and deliver some material and tools for us. Alright, bye.